The long-standing face-off between the UGC and Delhi University over the four-year undergraduate program seems to have claimed its first victim. Delhi University Vice-Chancellor Dinesh Singh, who had determinedly pushed through the one-year-old academic program, has put in his papers. The announcement was made by DU's media coordinator, Malay Nirav, who attributed Singh's resignation to the standoff over FYUP with the UGC. However, confusion prevailed on the issue after Delhi University's Pro-Vice Chancellor Sudhish Pachori denied that Singh had resigned.
सामूहिक रूप से वाइस चांसलर साहब से मिलने आए और उनसे अपील की है कि ऐसा कोई कदम न उठाएं। हम सरकार से भी गुजारिश करते हैं कि छात्र हित को ध्यान में रखते हुए समाधान निकाले।
No, he hasn't.
Did he tell you specifically?
No, he is not going to resign. In fact, I am going to advise not to resign.
Ironically, some were celebrating the news of Singh's resignation. Students in the university campus danced to the beats of drums and teachers distributed sweets. They were those who are staunchly opposed to the four-year program.
रेजिग्नेशन ही काफी नहीं है, उसके हम डिमांड करेंगे कि उसकी इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए। वो इंक्वायरी जो है वो कई स्तरों की इंक्वायरी इज रिक्वायर्ड। मतलब एक तो जो FIUP के रिलेटेड मैटर्स हैं उनके अंदर है, परंतु कई दूसरे मामले भी हैं जिसमें फाइनेंशियल बंगलिंग वो भी शामिल है, उसके अंदर भी हम इंक्वायरी डिमांड करेंगे।
Dinesh Singh had dug in his heels for the continuation of FYUP in the face of pressure from UGC to scrap it, revert to the earlier three-year academic program and report compliance to its order by forenoon on Monday. Singh is said to have resented the directive as an encroachment on the autonomy of the university. On Monday, the HRD ministry had washed its hands off the issue, asking the DU and the UGC to resolve the issue amicably. Calling Singh's resignation unfortunate, a UGC member rued that it had further complicated the matter.
The issue has become much more complicated because the Vice-Chancellor being head of the institution, it was he who was to review and revise the program as was being attempted. But since now he is no more, it will be very difficult for the government to quickly appoint a Vice-Chancellor.
Supporter of FYUP and former DUTA President Aditya Narayan Mishra spoke out against pressure from UGC and warned that the fight against the program's scrapping will continue.
ये एक अनफॉर्चुनेट डेवलपमेंट है, लेकिन कम से कम मैं इसको अप्रिशिएट करता हूं कि उन्होंने घुटना नहीं टेके और बो डाउन नहीं किया प्रेशर के साथ, और ये नहीं कहा कि मैं इसको रोल बैक कर देता हूं। कम से कम जो यूनिवर्सिटी का निर्णय था उसके साथ अटूट खड़े रहे और रिजाइन करना पड़ा तो रिजाइन भी कर दिया। तो ये अच्छी स्टेप है, हमारा ये ऑटोनॉमी का आंदोलन को आगे ले जाएगा।
Those aggrieved with the UGC directive have now knocked on the judiciary's door for relief. While the Supreme Court refused to intervene on a plea by Aditya Narayan Mishra to stay the UGC notification scrapping the four-year undergraduate program with immediate effect, the Delhi High Court has admitted a plea. Earlier in the day, a group of teachers went on a 24-hour-long hunger strike to protest against the UGC order to roll back FYUP. The raging controversy has left students seeking admission in DU anxious and uncertain, with admission to all DU colleges deferred. 2.7 lakhs for over 54,000 seats in 64 DU colleges. Emboldened by signs that FYUP may be on its way out, students opposed to it continued to press for its scrapping.
आज उन्होंने खुद ही रिजाइन कर दिया है, तो ये स्टूडेंट मूवमेंट की एक बहुत बड़ी जीत है। हम चाहते हैं कि हम लोग आगे भी ऐसे लड़ते रहेंगे, अगर कोई भी ऐसे अनडेमोक्रेटिक पॉलिसी यहाँ पे लाएगी।
Political parties too pitched in the DU-UGC battle, with the opposition Congress accusing the government of trampling on DU's autonomy.
सीधी जिम्मेवारी सरकार के ऊपर है कि जिस तरह से उन्होंने एक एकेडमिक इंस्टीट्यूशन, एक विश्वविद्यालय की ऑटोनॉमी से खिलवाड़ किया है और जिस तरह से उन्होंने छात्रों के हित को अनदेखा किया है, ये इस बात का तात्पर्य है कि आने वाले दिनों में शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में आपको अराजकता का माहौल देखने को मिलेगा।
With neither side willing to back down and Dinesh Singh preferring to resign over caving into pressure, there is growing concern over whether the students will lose out in this UGC-DU tug of war. Newsnight Desk, DD News.